Hi fellow crocheters, it's Janet with CrochetPatternsForBeginners.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. Previously, in our video number 3, we learned how to do the half double crochet. Or was it video 4? I don't know, I'm not sure, but it's the half double crochet video. In this video, we're going to take half double crochet and we're going to learn how to do a back loop and a front loop. So let's get started. Okay, I laid down 10 half double crochets. You can turn off the video or pause the video, and then when you've got 10 half double crochets, we can start. All right, we're going to chain 2 as we always do with our half double crochet because we're at the end of the row, and we're going to turn. Okay, now identifying your stitch again is what's most important. That way you can find the front loop and the back loop. Okay, this is the back loop, this is the front loop. See the V? The V is the stitch. The point of the V indicates the stitch, where the stitch stops actually. So what we're going to do is we've chained 2, and we're going to go right into, we're going to yarn over, and then we're going to go right into that back loop only. Then we're going to just do our half double crochet, and we're going to do a row of front or back loop and a row of front loop. Okay, so let's do that again. Yarn over into this loop here, the very back loop. Yarn over, half double crochet. Yarn over, back loop, yarn over, half double crochet. And see how we're creating like a little, we're pulling that front loop forward and creating a ridge. Normally we would go through the side and we would go through both loops on the side, but we're not doing that. Now see the difference? See that ridge right there? That's what you're doing when you're pulling that loop forward. When you're not pulling it forward, it looks like this. So you've created a line basically. And there's a lot of nice things that you can do with a half double crochet, and I'll show you those in later videos. Now let's do one more half double back loop. Okay, and let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do one more. We're going to do 5 in the back loop and 5 in the front loop. Okay, yarn over right through that back loop, yarn over, half double crochet. Okay, let's do the front loop. Yarn over. Now here's the front loop. This is the back loop. We were going in there. Now we're going to go in the front loop. So we have to kind of attack it from the front. Okay, just go right into that front loop. Yarn over, half double. Let's do that again. Yarn over. There's our back loop. There's oh, sorry. Let me move this so that you can see it here. Sorry guys. There's our back loop. There's our front loop. We're going to go into the front loop. Yarn over, half double. Yarn over, front loop only. Yarn over, half double. Yarn over, front loop, yarn over, half double, and one more. Yarn over, front loop, half double. Sorry guys, I wasn't. We gotta go in one more here. Didn't do the count the right stitches there. Okay. Now let's look at our work and see what we've done here. I see that line right there, and now here there's no line. But if we flip it over, there's no line here, but there's a line here. And that's all you're doing, is you're just pulling your loops forward. It gives it a little bit of texture, and it creates interest with the stitches. It also opens the stitch up a little bit and makes it just a touch taller. So if you're making a sweater or a shawl or a wrap, sometimes the back loop not only gives that extra texture, but it opens up the stitch just enough to give it a nice drape so it'll hang well. All right, thanks for stopping by and learning how to do the back loop and front loop half double crochet. Happy crocheting!